A live look at San Francisco City Hall, lit up in red, white, and blue to honor first responders. But there's a divide over what to do with the thousands of people living on the streets or packed in shelters. KPIX5's Joe Vazquez on the fiery words and finger pointing between city leaders and the mayor.
The city of San Francisco is struggling with two crises intertwined: coronavirus and homelessness. Today, after a man tested positive for COVID-19 at this navigation center on South Van Ness Avenue, tensions among city leaders began boiling over.
We are going to be judged by how this government and how our people behave during this period.
A handful of progressive supervisors gathered today with appropriate social distancing to blast the city's handling of the homeless. They say the weeks-long plan to move folks from the streets to vacant hotel rooms is moving much too slowly. And that's why they're introducing emergency legislation requiring at least 1,000 hotel rooms for people experiencing homelessness.
We have the hotel rooms, we have the money, we have the staffing. Why wouldn't we do this? Why wouldn't we do this right now and save thousands of lives?
The homeless man who tested positive for COVID-19 at the Division Circle Navigation Center is recovering. Since he's not sick enough to go to a hospital, he is being transferred to a hotel, as is anybody who was near him at the shelter. Also, anyone 60 or older or anyone who had an underlying health condition.
And this is something that was preventable. We should not have hundreds of people in congregate living environments literally sleeping right next to each other, brushing against each other, when we know that's exactly the type of environment where this virus spreads.
The first thing I thought when this happened is, wow, we're going to be able to get everyone into a hotel room like yesterday.
The mayor said in a video interview today, the solution is not so simple.
We are not going to just be able to take over every hotel room in the city, move people into hotel rooms and force them to stay there. That's just not going to happen.
Tonight, the Navigation Center began letting people back in after what the city promised would be a thorough cleaning. The mayor says she will have more to say about this subject tomorrow. Joe Vazquez, KPIX5.